In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your signature in Docusign without having to create an account. This is a handy trick, especially when you need to update your signature quickly or try out different signature styles without the hassle of setting up an account. So, let's dive in. First, you need to open the email inbox where you received your Docusign document. This is important because the invitation to sign the document and all relevant information will have been sent to your email. So make sure you're accessing the correct inbox associated with Docusign. Once you're in your inbox, look for the email from Docusign. When you've found it, click on the link or button that says Review Document. This step is crucial because it allows Docusign to load the document you need to sign while also bringing you to the signing interface. If you're prompted, confirm your access to ensure you can view the document. Now, you're in the document review area. To change the signature, look for the prompt that indicates where you should click to sign. It's typically labeled as Sign Here. Clicking on this will activate the signature options where you can modify your signature as needed. In the Signature Options menu, you'll have a few choices to customize your signature. You can change the style of your signature by selecting from pre-existing templates, giving you a quick way to personalize your signature without much effort. Alternatively, if you prefer a unique and personalized touch, you can use your device's touchpad or a stylus to draw your signature. This option allows you to replicate your handwritten signature more accurately. Lastly, if you already have a digital version of your signature saved as an image, perhaps for consistency across digital documents, you can upload it directly into Docusign. This is particularly useful if you want to maintain the exact appearance of your signature across different platforms and documents. After you've selected your preferred signature method, be sure to save your changes. Check the document to ensure that your new signature appears correctly in the designated field. Once everything is in place, you're free to finalize the document as required. Changing your signature in Docusign without an account is a simple process that offers flexibility and convenience when managing digital signatures. Whether you want to experiment with different styles or upload a consistent signature image, these steps provide the tools you need to adapt your signature quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Docusign and other digital solutions.